Hello, I'm Julie Harris, and I'm the mortgage loan officer here in Defiance. So, you finally found your dream home and have an accepted purchase contract. Congratulations. Now what? You should contact your lender and make sure that they have the legally executed purchase contract. Make sure that you either e-sign or physically sign the early disclosures. Citizens National Bank has an online portal, which is very convenient for you to e-sign all of your disclosures. Your lender will send you an email to set up a new account. And once you've done that, our processors will send you the actual disclosures. And you will go in there, all of the documents will be there for you easily to scroll through on your computer or your phone, whatever's most convenient for you. And you will actually just click a button and your signature will pop in. Make sure that you do not spend your down payment money. This is very important. We need it to prove it at the end of the loan process, and you will need that for the closing. Also, do not take out any new loans, or if you're even thinking about taking out a new loan, talk to your lender before you do it. You can also start shopping for your homeowner's insurance at this time. Behind the scenes, there is a lot going on. Underwriter is checking out every aspect of your loan documentation that you provided to the loan officer, and the entire process does take a little bit of time, typically between 30 to 45 days. An appraisal will be ordered by the lender, and this will determine the value of the home is not less than the purchase price. Title work is also going to be ordered, and the reason they do this is to make sure that you have a clear deed when the property is transferred into your name. A title company will prepare this, and they'll also handle the disbursement of your loan proceeds to make sure any prior liens against the property have been satisfied. They may also order a location survey. The purpose of it is just to make sure that everything on your lot is not encroaching your neighbor. So if there's a shed or a fence or something, that it is all on the legal lot that you own. Once all of these items are backed and deemed satisfactory, the underwriter will approve your application. Your lender may need to ask for additional documentation along the way, so just be prepared to provide them what they need in a timely manner to keep everything moving along. Once you have approval, your lender will contact you and set up the closing time and location. Typically, you'll go to the title company for the closing. A closing disclosure will need to be signed either in person or electronically 3 days prior to the closing. Your lender will be in contact with you to go over this document. It will outline the terms of your loan, including your interest rate, your payment that will be due each month, and it will also let you know how much cash you will need to bring to closing to complete the transaction. All of your closing costs and prepaid expenses will be detailed on this document. Any earnest money you give the seller at the time of the offer will also be deducted off of the balance due. Once you have that final cash to close figure, you will either wire this to the title company, and your lender will provide you with wire instructions regarding that, or if it's under $10,000, you will be able to bring a cashier's check made payable to the title company. You will need to complete this prior to your closing. On the day of the closing, you'll just take your driver's license and that check, or if you did the wire, take your wire confirmation with you to the closing. You'll meet at the title company, get ready to sign your name a lot. And then after that, you're all done. You bought a new house, so congratulations. It's definitely a long process in between the purchase contract and the closing date. And I understand it's kind of just a little bit of a waiting game. But of course, if you have any questions in between, I'm always available via email or phone to contact and put your mind at ease.